Well, good morning from our home to yours. Here's a quick tip for today. As you're calling on clients, whether it's by phone or in person, I want you to think about the book, So What? And it ties into how to communicate what really matters to your audience. Not you, not your company. What really matters to your audience. Because when you take that approach, what you're going to find is that your prospects and clients look at you more as a consultant, not a pushy salesperson, but a consultant. And isn't that the reputation you want to have? That trusted advisor, that brilliant consultant who really cares about the needs of your client. Try that. Share a success story with me. Let me know how that goes. All the best.